Pranayama number 4. Diaphragmatic or abdominal breathing. The diaphragm is exercised in this pranayama. It is a muscular membranous partition separating the thoracic and abdomen cavities. Friends, if you struggle to sleep well, or if you know of anybody suffering from insomnia, sleepless nights, this is the recommended pranayama. Pranayama number 4 has a lot of benefits. The digestive organs stay active. It reduces fat collected around the stomach. One has improved breathing, and most importantly, it has a sedative effect on the nervous system. Thus, pranayama number 4 relaxes the entire body. It leads to quietude and inner harmony. Now let us get into the technique of pranayama number 4. You may lie down onto your back, keeping the knees folded towards the chest, feet resting on the ground and 1 foot apart. You may now place your right hand onto your navel and the left hand may relax onto the side of your body, either palms facing up towards the ceiling or down as per one's convenience. We maintain equal breathing where we inhale for 2 counts and exhale for 2. Remember, breath is never to be forced. If you observe little babies when they are sleeping, you will notice that their bellies rise up when they breathe in, and the bellies go down towards the spine when they exhale. This is how we breathe in pranayama number 4. Pranayama number 4 is the natural way of breathing. Now, let us get into the experience of this. As we inhale, we can feel our belly raising high. As we exhale, we should feel the sinking in of our belly. Inhale, belly raising up, and exhale, belly sinking in. If you notice this is a deep breathing exercise. One can practice 10 to 20 rounds of this pranayama before sleeping, or one may practice this before shavasana. Pranayama 4 is a boon to many stressed minds. The Yoga Institute recommends and has inculcated this pranayama in relaxation sessions too. Let us get to the technique now. You may stay with the vocal instructions. I shall give the counts. Inhale, 1, 2, exhale, 1, 2, inhale, 1, 2, exhale, 1, 2, inhale, 1, 2, exhale, 1, 2. Now slowly finish your last round and you may open your eyes. Practice this for a week and do write back and voice your comments.